Hello everyone, I wish you all a very happy and colorful Holi on behalf of Team LevelUp IAS. On this festive occasion, we have decided to come up with a discount coupon, LevelUp Holi. With this, you will be able to get 66% discount on all our prelims courses, be it the Prelims Masters program or Target Prelims program or CSAT or any of the individual modules for history, geography, polity, science, environment, international bodies and mapping. On all these modules also you will be able to get 66% discount only if you apply this coupon LevelUp Holi. Other than this, we have also decided that we will be putting our entire economy module for preliminary examination on our YouTube channel, and the PDF notes for the same will be available on the Telegram channel below. So avail this offer and make your preparation more bright, colorful and successful. A very happy Holi to all of you again. Thank you.